Look at this tragic sight. Hidden under a torn, weathered canvas tarp inside an old garage lies a legendary Italian masterpiece, an ultra-rare Ferrari, abandoned and forgotten by time. The windshield is severely shattered, and the bodywork is completely buried under decades of heavy dust and sand. But today, the story changes. The elderly owner of this property approaches us and officially hands over the keys to this sleeping beast. It's an emotional moment, knowing the history behind this car. We promise her that we will bring this pristine stallion back to its absolute prime. Let's get to work. Step 1 is to carefully roll it out into the daylight and assess the true damage. We blast the entire body with a heavy layer of premium thick snow foam, letting it chemical cut through 30 years of baked-on dirt. Watch closely as we use a detail brush on the classic emblem and high-pressure water to wash away the grime. This is where the magic begins. Underneath all that filth, the iconic tricolor Italian racing stripe starts to emerge. The paint underneath is faded, but the soul of this hypercar is still very much alive. Now, we move inside the cabin for a complete teardown. The interior is completely ruined from the heat and dust. We use our mechanical tools to unbolt the steering wheel, slowly disconnecting the complex wiring harness. Next, we carefully remove the torn, cracked leather seats out of the car. Look at the amount of debris hidden underneath. We bring out the heavy-duty shop vacuum to clean every single square inch of the carbon fiber floorboards. Every piece of filth must be removed because a true restoration requires absolute perfection from the inside out. With the interior stripped, we turn our attention to the mechanical structure. We use a high-speed rotary angle grinder to tackle the rust building up on the lower body panels. Watch the sparks fly as we clean the metal down to its bare, shiny silver state. Next, we slide a heavy hydraulic jack under the frame, lifting this exotic beast high into the air to inspect the suspension. We take our time wire brushing the suspension arms and treating the metal with specialized rust converter fluid. Every bolt, every joint, and every link is thoroughly cleaned and tightened with a calibrated torque wrench. Now, let's talk about the heart of this monster, the legendary V16 engine block. This is engineering art at its finest. We dismantle the entire top end of the motor, laying out every single piston, valve spring, connecting rod, and camshaft on our pristine workbench. We sandblast the engine components, polishing the valve covers until they have a brilliant, mirror-like chrome reflection. Watch the meticulous process of installing new piston rings, dropping the cylinder heads back onto the block, and torquing down the head bolts to exact factory specifications. This engine isn't just going to look brand new, it's going to breathe fire. It's finally time for the transformation you've all been waiting for. The paint booth. After layers of high-build gray primer, we block sand the body panels to ensure they are laser straight. Then, we apply the custom, deep candy apple metallic red paint. Look at how that rich red color flows over the aerodynamic curves of the Ferrari body. Once the clear coat cures, we hand paint the fine details of the Italian racing stripe back onto the hood. We finish it off with an intensive multi-stage wet sanding process to eliminate any orange peel and prep the surface for the final polish. The final step is the high-speed orbital polish. We apply premium compound, watching the paint transform into a deep, liquid-like mirror finish. We install the brand new luxury tan leather seats, bolt the carbon fiber front splitter into place, and give the windshield a pristine wipe down. And there she is. From a dusty, shattered junkyard wreck to a multi-million-dollar rolling piece of automotive art, the stallion is finally ready to roar again. If you love this epic restoration journey, smash that like button, drop a comment with your favorite part of the build, and subscribe for more ultimate transformations.